It's the sunrise and those brown eyes. You're the one that I desire.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today's video is a hairstyle video for Valentine's Day. My hair is cleansed, conditioned, and sealed with an oil. I always do those things, and today I am using all Kinky Tresses products. If you are new here, you guys know that I absolutely love Kinky Tresses. Those are my people, okay? They are sponsoring today's video so I can show you guys how to get a poppin' Valentine's Day look, or just a regular poppin' look for whatever any day you want to wear it. But this style is with Valentine's Day in mind, and we are gonna go from this so we gonna see, because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. We're gonna go ahead and do my favorite thing to do, my favorite method, tip, trick, whatever. If you have thick, kinky, high porosity hair, is I always apply a leave-in right after I seal with an oil. This leave-in is so thick, you guys. It happens every time. Oh my gosh. I just apply a little bit, like that much, to the ends of my hair, all over my hair. And I let that just sink in. This stuff softens the hair like nobody's business. And one of my favorite stylers that I tried in 2017, and like I absolutely love it, is the Cocoa Mango hair butter from Kinky Tresses. Like there's nothing that compares, like nothing compares to it. So because I'm doing like a light and fluffy style, I'm not going to actually apply any more leave-in. Normally I would apply more leave-in with the styler, but that styler is so thick and so creamy, I do not need to do it. But they're gonna be medium-sized twists. This is like my twist size. That's pretty big, right? God, my hair is so soft. Give me medium-sized twists. Gonna do a little bit of finger detangling. That's it. Just the excess knots out. I know my hair looks naked, you guys, but it's not, okay? Like I put the leave-in all over, and my hair was super soft from the deep treatment that I did. So don't worry, okay? Don't be too concerned. Now I'm gonna get some of this Cocoa Mango hair butter, about that much, which is a good amount. Oh, instantly soft. I do have a coupon code for Kinky Tresses, Candid Kinks 20 or Candid 20. Oh, I don't remember. I'll put it on the screen and in the box below with the link to the website. I'm working this into my hair, instant softness, and I'm just going to do a twist. And I'm going to twist pretty tight because I want this look to be defined, and I just want to be popping, you know? So I'm twisting, twisting, twisting. I'm doing my hair with y'all like how I do my hair alone. Like I just go really fast. I just run through it. I make sure I'm adding moisture along the way, you know, the huge. I'm in a good mood today, guys. I apologize if I am on one. And I'm just going to brush the ends a little bit because I am going to be trying to get a little curl. Curl it around itself and then create my little knot, my Bantu knot. And that's it. Y'all have seen this before. If you haven't seen it before, just a twist with a Bantu knot on the end. Nothing crazy. When I first went natural, I saw Etc. Blog Mag, Yolanda Renee do this method, and I actually really like it. So if I want like a nice little curly style, I will opt for it. Now I'm gonna take another chunky section, which already has leave-in conditioner and oil, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of finger separating. But you see how like my hair is like not even tangled right now? Magic. Just gonna brush it out a little bit, just get the excess tangles. That's it. Add a dollop of the hair butter. It's a lot. I rub some off and run it through. You'll see that I focus a lot on just smoothing the hair down, pulling the hair down. I don't know why this turned into a tutorial, but like, yeah, I focus a lot on just smoothing the hair down because that can help eliminate tangles and prevent tangles, just like always doing your hair in a downward motion as opposed to not really paying attention to what you're doing. So there's the twist all the way down, and then I'm gonna coil my ends. I also didn't want to do too much product. I just wanted my hair to be light and fluffy. So yeah, I'm going to do a photo shoot, a pretty cool one. I'm actually really excited about it. So follow me on Instagram so you can see the pictures and see my announcements and all that jazz. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up into two little ponies. It's just because I'm going to do an updo. I want the hair to kind of stretch and dry in an upward motion. I always do this if I'm going to be doing an updo. And because my hair wasn't soaking wet when I styled it, it actually did dry overnight. So I was actually really happy with that. So it's kind of funky now, you know, it's an odd shape. But like I said, I'm doing an updo, so it doesn't really matter. I'm just pulling out the little bantu knots. I'm just going to separate my hair like I always do. Nothing really fancy here, but I am going to be a little bit more gentler to keep some definition. So as you guys can see here, I'm pulling, but I'm leaving the ends intact. So I'm separating the hair where it normally separates, but I'm leaving the ends intact to keep the hair looking more defined and keep some of those ends in like a nice little curly shape. I'm using my fingers just to stretch the roots of my hair some more before I go ahead and pull it up into a high little puff. Using a little, you know, regular thin hair tie, and I'm only going to wrap it around my hair one time and then pull and tug and fluff to get the shape that I want. With the bangs, I'm doing the same thing, leaving the ends intact and not separating all the way through. That way I'll have some less frizz. A little favorite thing of mine is to pull out the little side, I don't know what you want to call it, tendrils, and I twist it very loosely, and that gives it some heaviness, some weight, so that the hair kind of hangs properly and doesn't just fly away all over the place. I also put some bobby pins all throughout my bangs and on the little side tendril things just to give it some weight and make it stay. Fluffing and tugging and brushing the back of my hair, and we are finished. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you'll be trying anything similar for Valentine's Day or for any day. Don't forget to check out Kinky Tresses and let me know what you guys think. You can use my coupon code CANDID20 to get some coins off. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If I have to, you're the best part.